Yo man, it's time to finally dive into these things. Full review and no feet over some people's #1 sneakers to drop in 2023. Let's get into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It is greatly appreciated when you guys pull up. And you guys seen the thumbnail and the title. We're about to jump right into this full review and on feet over the upcoming Air Jordan 8 playoffs released in September the 30th for a retail tag of $210. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. You guys know them likes help. You know what I'm saying? Them comments definitely help. And go ahead and drop a fire emoji down below if you know you're gonna be copping a pair of these playoff Air Jordan 8s. And today's video is sponsored by Black Taylor. You guys already know every single time I drop a fit on IG, drop a reel over there, or even when I'm doing the on feet for, you know what I'm saying, sneaker reviews, you guys ask me, man, where do you get your pants from? And 9 times out of 10, my reply is Black Taylor, man. Black Taylor is definitely the way to go. They have some of the dopest cargo pants in general on the market right now. You guys already know my discount code RealDaVintage10 will save you 10% off your entire order. I'm gonna show you guys what they sent over real quickly, but just know the pants that you guys do see in this video on the on feet portion is from Black Taylor, bruh. The best on the market, I'm telling y'all. Use that code RealDaVintage10 to save that 10% off. The first one is the N32 cargo. I get them in a size 34, which is a size up from my normal size 32. I feel like that's more comfortable for me, my style. But if I was you, go true to size match. So here goes the first one, the N32 cargos right here. You got the drawstrings down below. That's gonna go perfect with these playoff 8s. You also get some cargos on the side, you know what I'm saying? Kind of got that stretch pants vibe, but it also results in dope comfortability, man, when you're rocking your fits, man. So it's the first pair of pants they sent over. And the second one is the same N32, but these are the green joints, same size, 34. And this is not particularly for the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. Just wanted to check them out, see how I like them. This is a green pair, same drawstrings, same cargos on the side right here, as you guys can see. Just some great quality they're throwing here. And then next we have the N1 cargos, again, size 34. And I want to try something new, so I got these joints right here. Kind of get the same type vibe, but you get these little clips on the back and you get them on the front, and you have the drawstring on these joints as well. And here is the N1 cargo in the gray colorway, super crispy. I'm loving them, bro. Every time I pull out a new pair from Black Taylor, bro, I'm just so appalled about their, you know what I'm saying, great quality they do throw in here. And again, you get the nice cargos on the side, a nice nylon material, and you get the drawstrings down below, man. It's super nice, super good quality. And this is more of like a charcoal colorway right here. I don't know if that's picking up on the camera, but this is right here. Something new, never had this style before. Like I said, I want to check it out. And of course, you got the zippers down below. People love the zippers on the pants, so go ahead and check these joints out on Black Taylor. Now back to the Air Jordan 8 playoffs right here. Let's first check out the box real quick. I'll be sure to hit you guys a lot of B-roll so you guys know what's in store for you guys September the 30th. So go and check out the box. Fish color reads Air Jordan 8 Retro Black, True Red, and White. I got these bad boys in a size 9.5 right there, as you guys can see. And on this side, you got your regular black tissue paper, nothing else too crazy in there. And yes, sir, man, we back at it, bro. Let's go ahead and break them down real quick. And then first things first, I'm gonna show you guys how I actually rock my 8s, bro. It's 2 different lacing styles. So here goes the first lacing style right here. All I did was take the straps off of the side of the sneaker, then loose lace them a little bit, drop them down one lacing hole, and I kind of, you know what I'm saying, just put the straps back over it, got the 2-3 popping, and it's still a nice comfortable fit because these things can be pretty snug. And then flipping it over here, this one right here is a little bit more complex, a little bit more difficult to do, but all you have to do is the same thing I did over here, but when you're starting to lace the sneaker, you put them in this little hole right here on the lacing strap. And again, this is like my first pair of 8s in a very, very long time. So I had to pull out an old pair of 8s and actually see how I lace these joints up. So the entire upper of the sneaker is made up of nubuck and leather. You kind of can see those different types of hits, different type of grains throughout the entire Air Jordan 8 playoff. And I ain't gonna lie, man, I feel like they executed that leather quality and that nubuck pretty good in my honest opinion. I do think, like I said, if you do let them sit for a while, these things will get dusty. It's gonna be some dust magnets for sure. But other than that, the leather is good. It's a very, very comfortable sneaker, as you guys are gonna see in on feet. I've had plenty of 8s before in the past, and they never let your boy down as far as comfortability wise, but they are a bit snug. So that's why I always go up a half a size in my Air Jordan 8s. Probably the best part of the sneaker is the midsole. Kind of get that kind of like sparkled effect on the midsole right here, as you guys can see, along with the crazy design on the upper of the midsole, man. I love it. And even on the inside of the sneaker, you got that same kind of hits you get on the outside, which are red, black, and white hits. And you guys already know, man, Jordan Brand be going crazy with the outsoles. So go ahead and check them bad boys out right there. It's not like a lot of people gonna be, you know what I'm saying, checking out your outsoles. But for sneaker collectors out there that goes into the sneaker room sometime just to check out their sneakers, it is pretty cool to check out, man. On the lacing straps, you guys do see you have your red and white 2-3 right here. And then checking out the tongue, you got the fur around the red Jumpman. You got your red pull tab. Like I said, on the straps on the side, you do have Air Jordan going across them. All in all, great sneaker. It's definitely gonna turn some heads when you do rock these joints. And I do feel like on September 30th, the Air Jordan 8 playoffs will be much appreciated by a lot of OGs, a lot of people like me that have been wanting a pair for so long, and they finally retroed them for us, man. So please let me know right now down below in the comment section if you will be snagging a pair of Air Jordan 8 playoffs September the 30th. Like I said, retailing for $210. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and throw these joints straight on feet, featuring all pants from Black Taylor. Again, use my code REAL, the vintage 10. Let's get into it.